Yes, hello, Mike. Greetings from the Eisenhower Tunnel, where we can feel definitely the wind on my face. The other reason, of course, when the wind happens, it drops those real feel temperatures. According to my phone, I just checked, a whopping 3 degrees. That wind obviously is also going to impact traffic, which isn't actually that bad as we made it up here at the tunnel, where it is bad, however, starting at the top of Floyd Hill as usual, but this time it extends just about bumper to bumper all the way through Idaho Springs. Some more slowdowns when you head into Georgetown. Everybody trying to make their way up here for that long President's Day weekend. The express lane eastbound, as the sign says behind me, is open. Heading westbound, you'll see, watch out for those windy conditions. As Mike said, they're expected to get much worse into the evening hours, and expect more traffic as everybody tries to make their way up here for the holiday. We'll hang out here in the mountains, bring you those gusty winds. Try not to get blown away, both on social media and then tonight at 10 on Denver 7. And Shannon, back to you in the warm studio.
We got to buy him a scarf.
3 degrees out there. It's chilly.